GPT-5, released on August 7, 2025, revolutionizes artificial intelligence with its unified architecture, expert-level reasoning, and accessibility. It democratizes expertise, offering Doctor of Philosophy-level insights across domains, and shifts from reactive question and answer to proactive task execution. Available to all ChatGPT users, it integrates with Microsoft Copilot, Azure, and 365, reducing hallucinations and factual errors. GPT-5's unified architecture revolutionizes AI by balancing speed and depth of reasoning. It democratizes expertise, offering Doctor of Philosophy-level insights to all users. With autonomous agency, it shifts from reactive question and answer to proactive task execution. Ubiquitous access ensures availability across ChatGPT and Microsoft platforms, significantly reducing hallucinations and factual errors. GPT-5's unified architecture dynamically balances speed and depth, adapting in real time. The efficient base model handles simple queries with minimal overhead, while the reasoning model tackles complex tasks. A real-time rotor selects the optimal model based on query complexity and user cues, ensuring efficient and accurate responses. Overflow requests are managed by GPT-5 Mini, maintaining service continuity. GPT-5 excels in coding, achieving 74.9% on Software Engineering Bench and 88% on Aider Polyglot. In healthcare, it scores 46.2% on Health Bench Hard. Its multimodal understanding reaches 84.2% on multimodal multitask understanding, and agentic task execution hits 96.7% on TAU2 bench. Efficiency gains include 22% fewer output tokens and 45% fewer tool calls, enhancing performance. GPT-5 revolutionizes technology interaction, enabling users to create complex software through natural language prompts, without programming skills. It enhances creative writing with sophisticated literary outputs and partners in healthcare by translating medical jargon. Real-world applications include instant web app generation and adaptive study assistance, significantly reducing development time and factual errors while tripling creative output quality. GPT-5 significantly enhances artificial intelligence safety with a 45% reduction in hallucinations and a 2.1% deception rate. It mitigates sycophancy, reducing it to under 6% while maintaining conversational quality. The Safe Completions framework replaces refusals with constrained helpfulness, ensuring safe, informative responses in sensitive domains like chemistry and cybersecurity. GPT-5's new API controls empower developers with precise model behavior management. Key parameters include verbosity for response conciseness and reasoning effort for speed-accuracy balance. Custom tools enhance plaintext tool calling, minimizing JSON errors. Model variants like GPT-5 Mini and GPT-5 Nano cater to cost-sensitive and edge device applications, respectively, optimizing resource utilization. GPT-5 elevates user experience with customizable personas like cynic, robot, listener, and nerd, aligning with user communication styles. Visual customization options enhance interface comfort, while enhanced voice mode improves speech understanding. Productivity integrations, such as Gmail and calendar connectivity, streamline tasks, and study mode offers interactive learning, making interactions more personalized and efficient. GPT-5 faces critical challenges, including routing inconsistencies where task complexity is misclassified, leading to inefficient resource use. Context blindness results in unnecessary deep reasoning for simple tasks. Artificial general intelligence gaps persist, with limited continuous learning and adaptability. Ethical risks include over-reliance on advice and privacy concerns due to data sharing and productivity integrations. GPT-5 significantly advances AI capabilities, outperforming previous models and competitors. It excels in coding with a 74.9% software engineering bench score, reduces errors by 80%, and achieves 96.7% factuality. Its agentic ability allows for superior autonomous task chaining, producing elegant, maintainable code with fewer resources. These improvements highlight GPT-5's unparalleled efficiency and accuracy. Future AI systems will likely automate up to half of knowledge work, necessitating workforce reskilling. Cognitive offloading risks skill atrophy in writing and coding. Regulatory frameworks must evolve for artificial intelligence honesty and safety. Research focuses on alignment, interpretability, and trust mechanisms. Unified architectures and continuous learning will enhance efficiency and factual accuracy. GPT-5 transforms AI from a mere tool to a collaborative partner, executing tasks autonomously. Its unified architecture and smart routing redefine AI design, enhancing hallucination reduction, code generation, and safety. Despite reduced error rates, human oversight remains essential. These advancements illustrate AI's evolving role in various domains, from coding to medical explanations.